Understanding in dire condition. English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are excited to dive into a very interesting English phrase, in dire condition. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also rich in meaning. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its origins. In dire condition is a phrase used to describe a situation or a state that is extremely serious or terrible. The word dire itself means very serious or extreme. So, when something is in dire condition, it implies that the situation is critical, urgent, and often dangerous or life-threatening. This phrase can apply to various contexts, from health to finance, and even to environmental situations. Now, let's look at how to use in dire condition in sentences. Here are a few examples. After the accident, the victim was in dire condition and needed immediate medical attention. The company's finances are in dire condition. It may not survive another quarter without help. Due to the drought, the crops are in dire condition. Notice how the phrase is used to emphasize the severity of the situation. It often sets the stage for a call to action or indicates a pressing need for change or help. Understanding the origin of in dire condition helps us appreciate its usage better. The word dire comes from the Latin word dirus, which means fearful, terrible. It entered the English language in the early 16th century, bringing with it a sense of imminent, drastic consequences. Over time, the phrase, in dire condition, evolved to represent any situation that is alarmingly bad. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, in dire condition. It's a powerful expression that conveys urgency and severity, and it's a great addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communicating ideas and emotions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.